Ayan si Madam. Siya daw magluluto ng, ano yung lulutuin mo? Stir fry?
Stir fry noodles.
Flat noodles?
Shrimp.
Shrimp stir fry. Sarapan mo ah.
Eh.
Now you can put the noodles in. Amayin mo na. Amayin mo, mekos-mekos mo na yan insan.
Is this speak what happens after? That's a view. That's a view.
Oh, what's it? It's good? Saan mo ah? Binurbor mo. Wag mo kasing i-ganon, ikiwar mo lang siya, wag mong i